my dear students. Today we will continue chapter number 4, cubes and cube roots. Let's see. Cube of 3 is 27 and cube root of 27 is 3 and symbol of cube root look like this. If the volume of a cube is 125 centimeter cube, so what would be the length of its side? Let's see. If volume of a cube is 125 centimeter cube, then what would be the length of its side? So we know that volume of a cube is side cube. Let side of a cube is A units, then volume of a cube is given 125 centimeter cube, and we know that volume of a cube is equal to side cube. So A cube is equal to 125. Now A is equal to cube root of 125. Again we can write A is equal to cube root of 125 expressed as the product of prime factors. So we can write 5 is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 5. Now A is equal to, taking one factor from the group, so we can write here 5 centimeter. So side of a cube is 5 centimeter. To find a cube root of a number by prime factorization method, we know that a perfect cube can be expressed as the product of triplets of equal prime factors. Let's see the example. Find the cube root of 42,875 by prime factorization method. So first of all, prime factorization of 42,875. So divide by 5, 5 8 is 40, 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 5 5 is 25. Again divide by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Again divide by 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15. Again divide by 7, 49. Again divide by 7, 7. Again divide by 7, 1. Now (42,875) expressed as the product of prime factors. So we can write 5 is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 7. Now grouping. Now we have to find cube root of 42,875 is equal to taking one factor from each triplet. So we can write here 5 from the second triplet, we can write here 7. So cube root of 42,875 is 35. That is answer. Now find the cube root of 1,48,877 by estimation. First step, form groups of 3 digits starting from rightmost digits. So let's see, 1,48,877 from the rightmost digit, 3 digits. So this is the first group. And last 3 digit is the second group. From the first group, we have to find the unit digit of required cube root. So, since the unit digit is 7, therefore, the unit digit of required cube root is 3. We know that if a number has 7 in the unit place, then its cube ends with 3. Now we have to find the tens digit from the second group. So second group 148. So 5 is the largest number whose cube is less than or equal to 148. That means 5 cube less than 148 less than 6 cube. So the tens digit of the required cube root is 5. Now, cube root of 1,48,877 is equal to unit digit of the required cube root is 3. So we can write here 3. Now the tens digit of the required cube root is 5. So in the tens digit place is 5. So cube root of 1,48,877 is equal to 53. That is answer. Let us discuss the following questions. Let's see. Find the smallest number by which 5,184 should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the product. So first of all, prime factorization of 5,184. See, solution 5,184 expressed as the product of prime factors. So we can write here 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2. Multiply 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiply 3 is multiplied by 3 is multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. After grouping 3 left, since 3 left. After grouping, therefore 5184 is not a perfect cube. Perfect cube. How to make it perfect cube? If we multiply 5184 by 3 into 3 is equal to 9, then prime factorization of the product is 5184 into 9 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So the required smallest number is 9. Now the perfect cube is 5184 is multiplied by 9, we have 46,656. Now cube root of 46,656 is equal to taking one factor from each group. So we can write 2 again from the second group, 2 third from the third group, 3 from the fourth group, 3. Now we multiply 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So cube root of 46,656 is 36. See one more question. Find the smallest number by which 8788 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Also find the cube root of the quotient. So first of all, prime factorization of 8788. So solution 8788 expressed as the product of prime factors. So we can write here 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. Now grouping, since 2 into 2 is equal to 4 left. After grouping, therefore 8788 is not a perfect cube. How to make it perfect cube? If we divide 8788 by 4, then the prime factorization of the quotient is 8788 divided by 4 is equal to 13 into 13 into 13. So the required smallest number is 4. Now the required perfect cube is 8788 divided by 4. We have 2197. Now we have to find the cube root of 2197. Now taking one factor from the group, so we have to write here 13. So cube root of 2197 is 13. Thank you.